Hello everyone! You may have seen my earlier two videos on custody, care and control which gave a brief overview of these often confusing terms. In this third video, I will discuss the modification of these orders and how a child's preferences can impact custody, care and control decisions. Number one, people often ask whether custody, care and control orders can be modified later on. The answer is yes. Custody, care and control orders can be varied or modified by the court if there's a substantial change in circumstances impacting the child's welfare. Situations that might prompt a revision include a parent's relocation, a change in the child's needs such as educational or medical, or new evidence of abuse or neglect. To modify an order, the parent requesting the change must apply to the court and present compelling reasons, backed by evidence in an affidavit demonstrating that the modification is in the child's best interest. Courts are generally cautious about changing existing arrangements, but will consider it if the child's welfare would be significantly improved. The Women's Charter promotes the involvement of both parents in the child's life, acknowledging that children benefit from stable relationships with both mother and father. The Women's Charter seeks to minimize disruption to the child's life after the divorce, aiming for arrangements that foster consistent and cooperative parenting. Whenever feasible, the court encourages joint custody arrangements which ensure that both parents remain involved in significant decisions about the child's welfare. However, the law also recognizes that in cases of abuse, neglect, or extreme conflict, maintaining equal involvement might not be practical or beneficial. In such situations, the court may limit one parent's role in order to protect the child's well-being. Another common question I get from divorce clients is whether a child's preferences impact custody, care and control decisions. The court may take the child's preferences into account if the child is of a sufficient age and maturity to express a reasonable and informed opinion. While there's no specific age at which a child's preference is determinative, teenagers and older children may have their wishes given more weight, though final decision rests with the court. The court carefully assesses whether the child's preferences aligns with their best interests, as the children may not always fully understand the implications of custody decisions. The child's preference is just one factor among many, and ultimately, the court prioritizes the child's overall welfare over personal preferences, especially if there are concerns of parental influence or manipulation. Ultimately, the Women's Charter encourages both parents to remain involved, as this benefits the child's emotional and psychological stability. To conclude, custody, care and control are complex issues with many issues for the court to consider, and the Singapore court system prioritizes a child's welfare above all. We hope that this series has helped clarify the process and the factors involved. If you are dealing with a custody matter or know someone who is, remember that seeking professional legal guidance can be invaluable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on family law and check out our previous videos for more legal information tailored for families in Singapore. See you in the next video.